right, so we're back at the speed jump spot, and we have got, I almost said Vendetta, I was talking to Earl, but got the speed scented. The only problem that I think I'm coming across is, I don't know if you can see behind me, you can see the wind whipping the trees. The wind is actually going this way, which is the wrong direction. So I'm gonna have to kind of like pace this out. But anyways, this is RC Guy Garage, and I am at the speed jump spot with the Arrma 6S scented. All right, here we go. So, moat, and we're on 4S. I did make a gear change too. Pretty drastic gear change. Drastic to the point of I don't know if this is gonna work. Oh my god, the thing is cogging bad. Actually, I think it is gonna work. But look at it cog, man. Oh, all right. Well, we're just gonna go for it. Oh shoot. Yeah, I started the GPS, but I didn't start it. Yeah, this thing is a mess, man. All right, track, start. Boy, I almost wiped that out. This thing should go pretty quick now. Oh, listen to the cog, man. Like I said, one of the big things is the wind right now. The wind is absolutely whipping. All right, we're all set. And the problem is, man, the wind is coming this way. Crap. I'm gonna have to like guess it. How do you guess wind? You can't, man. You can't guess Mother Nature. Gotta wait for it to die down just a touch. And here's a car. And it's not coming over here. All right, just gonna go for it. This thing should rip. Yep, I kind of expected that. Yeah, I kind of expected that. Well, let's see where it crashed at. Or flipped. Stop. Read. 57 right away. I rolled on trigger too fast, and obviously what it did is at that hump right there, it's just too much, man. This is a bad spot. Start. Give it another shot. All right, hear nothing, see nothing. It's just whipping too much, man. I was actually able to hit the brake and bring that nose down in air. Look how this thing is rolling now. This thing is so geared. Thing is geared heavy. I'm not even going to talk about what it's geared at. Stop. Read. 55. Yeah. Dang. I think we've hit like a point to where this thing is too fast for itself, for its body. I'm gonna have to go somewhere else. Here we go. That is the nice thing about this body, I'll tell you that. Stop. Read. 59. All right. Dang. Start. Oh, it is totally mint. I think the wind is just going too much going in this direction. Oh, man. If I come this direction, it's probably... You know what? I'm gonna give it a shot. This is bad. I don't see how any of this is gonna work. Being so cynical right now. All right, hear nothing, see nothing. Hey, it's on its wheels. We're not going to get it. Stop. Read. 58. Oh, the wind is just too much, man. See what I'm saying is that it's windy today, so the wind is getting under the truck, I think. Start. Let's see what's going on here. My thing here seems to kind of be doing all right. Not really. Yeah, I don't know, man. The wind is just getting underneath this body too much. Wonder if there's a way to suck this down more. Oh, if I do that. Oh, wait a minute. That just sucked it down more. Oh, I've got broken zip ties. No wonder why. I think I'm getting too much air inside. I've got broken zip ties. That could be why. All right. We'll give this a shot. The body is kind of now sucked down a little bit more. I'm gonna check the front. But I think what I might have to do is modify my foam so I can tuck that body kind of in behind the bumper. Because right now what's happening is the wind is too much. And if the wind is catching underneath, do you know what I'm saying? Like here, see that zip tie right there? That's too loose. So this one, all right, give that a shot, see what happens. Boy, that's tucked now. All right, I know we're still zeroed out. There we go. You know what's funny is the whole time the wind has been kind of kind of tame. All right. Hear nothing, see nothing. Didn't make it. Think I'm just gonna have to go in front of my house and chance the mailbox. Is one of those wheels messed up? Nope, it's actually all right. Holy smokes. All right, let's see what we got. And I think that other zip tie just snapped off. Stop, read, 56. What has changed to where this thing is taking flight? I think it's just literally the wind. We were getting 66. 67 was my max speed. And I'm just obviously not getting anywhere near what I need, man. It's just, I don't know if it's me or what. It's the change in gearing. It's the fact that I've got like nothing for a runway. This is such a bad location. All right, hear nothing, see nothing. Nope. Nope. Damn it. I need another spot. I need another soft spot that's safe. That motor's got to be warm now. I'm just going to bring it in. Felt like that was good, but I don't feel like that was no 66 or 67. Body's rubbing bad. It doesn't rub when it's going straight though. All right, stop, read, 58. We are doing horrible, man. Oh my God. Feels like we got some heat in here. Ooh, yeah, we got some heat. All right. I got the temp gun out here. Let's see what we got for heat. Uh, 137 at the back of the motor, 160. 160 at the back of the motor. 162, 162.6. ESC I'm sure is probably fine. Connectors, wires, that's all nothing. Yeah, 160, 152. Front of the motor here, 125 where the heatsink is. 125. Top of the heatsink where the fan is. Yeah, zip ties are all blown out. Alright, well, this was a fail. Honestly, this was a fail. I've got to go somewhere else. For some reason, something has changed here. It's obviously the wind, but look at what the tires are doing to the body too. Something has obviously changed and created a negative effect with this car. It is geared absolutely insane right now. Battery itself is mint. Motor's feeling heat. I'm sure the motor's actually fine. 160 ain't nothing. But I gotta batten down this body a little bit better than what it is. So anyways, this is RC Guy Garage, and the pinion change failed. If I take it in front of my house, yeah, I don't know. I think if I take it in front of my house, I'm wondering if I'm gonna have an issue just because of the wind. I'm not sure which way the wind is gonna be going at my place. Everything is playing a part. This is honestly a fail. So, all it is just a pinion change though. I must be just rolling on the trigger too much for the distance that I've got. And then obviously having such a bad section of road, but I was getting 66 though, man. It's gotta be the wind, because nothing else has changed on this car. Thing's cruising though. That pinion change should net mid 70s, maybe upper 70s is what my guess is. So anyways, this is RC Guy Garage, and I am out ripping the speed sentin'. What are you doing today?